In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post on Basecamp. Whether you're new to Basecamp or just looking to enhance your communication within your team, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process of creating and sharing messages effectively using the message board tool, one of Basecamp's central features. So, let's dive right in and simplify how you post updates and collaborate with your team efficiently. First, you'll want to begin by opening your specific project where you wish to post a new message. You'll notice a variety of tools available once you're inside your project. But for today, our focus will be on the message board. The message board is designed to act as a central hub for important updates, discussions, and announcements, making it easy for team members to stay informed and on the same page. To access it, just locate and click on the message board tool, typically found among the selection on your project's main interface. Once you're inside the message board, look towards the top of the page where you'll find a button labeled Plus New Message. This is your gateway to starting a new conversation. Click on it to begin composing your message. As you start typing, you'll notice that Basecamp offers a range of formatting options. Take advantage of these tools to organize your information clearly and professionally. You can add headings, bold important text, and even create lists to ensure your message is easily digestible. Additionally, if you have visual aids or supporting documents such as images or files, you can embed these directly into your message or attach them, providing context and clarity at a glance. Categorization is another key feature here. Basecamp allows you to categorize your message based on its content or purpose, whether it's an announcement, a discussion topic, or maybe even a feedback request. This helps in efficiently organizing messages, making it simpler for your team to retrieve pertinent information when needed. Now, once your message looks good and is packed with all the necessary information, it's time to decide who should receive a notification about it. Basecamp provides a tailored approach to notifications, empowering you to communicate with precision. You have several options available. You can choose to notify only project members, which is useful if the message is relevant only to those actively involved. Alternatively, you can select everyone who can view the project, ensuring that all stakeholders are kept in the loop. If there are specific individuals who would benefit from the message or need to take action, you can designate them specifically. And if the message is for documentation purposes only and doesn't require immediate attention, you might opt to notify no one. By following these instructions and using the features available to you within Basecamp, you'll be able to communicate more effectively with your team, keeping everyone informed and engaged. That's it for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tips on using Basecamp.